There's brown, green, and orange. They're all three very playful, outgoing little puppies. Green is probably most outgoing, but he loves to be where you are. Hi, Biddy. Like I said, I think it's a couple pounds different in size. You can, sorry, I can't really hold them and film. Hi, Biddy. Hi. You love your belly rubbed. Where's the spot? Huh? Where's the spot? You know, and I can't say for sure who's going to be the bigger dog because I've had puppies where they were the smallest one of the litter, end up being the biggest one, so it's just hard for me to know which one exactly is going to be the biggest. Yes, you're so cute. He's pretty silly. You're pretty silly, aren't you? Well, this is them. I think they're all three pretty even-tempered. Being the green's little, probably more. Green and orange are probably pretty close to equal. I put green in front of orange as far as energy, of more energy. And then brown would be the last of the three. Are you still pooping? He's taking a poop. Oh, there you are. Hi, buddy. Hello. Alright, that's them.